In 2019, 78% of the UK's energy demand came from burning fossil fuels. To reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, new technologies have been created to shift our energy demand to sustainable energy. These include biofuels, heat pumps, smart grids, wind electricity, and more. However, achieving net zero relies on both technological and behavioural changes. The success of technology depends on us making low-carbon choices. This includes how we travel, heat our homes, what we buy, and what we eat. Policymakers, stakeholders, and the public need to have a basic understanding of these technologies, to know what they are, how they work, and how they can help us get to net zero. Will a better understanding of energy technologies help us decarbonise the energy system?